Welcome. I'm filming the CAT S40 and today I will show you how to boot the device into safe mode. And to get started, you want to hold the power key, and when you see the boot options, hold the power off one. Once you hold it for about a second, it brings up this window right here, reboot to safe mode, so confirm it by tapping on OK. This will obviously initiate a reboot, and once the device is back on, it will then be in the safe mode. Now I'll warn you that in this mode, only the basically pre-installed applications will function. Anything that was installed by you, either from Play Store or whatever other means, will be basically disabled from starting out. That is so you can troubleshoot your device, and if you had some kind of application that was causing your device problems, didn't want to boot, or something was happening with your device that wasn't supposed to, in safe mode this will basically be terminated because that application cannot start anymore. So let's give it a second. And there we go, so we're now booted up. And you can see there's a safe mode watermark. This will stay on the screen as long as you are in this mode. And right here, it looks basically as any other mode on the device. But if you had any kind of applications installed, I believe they would be grayed out and you won't be able to start them. When you click on them, it will show you that message that you basically cannot start an application in this mode. So yeah. Now once you're done with this mode, to leave it, all you need to do is hold the power key and select reboot, which will bring you back to the normal mode. And that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.